Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, NSWTV, New South Wales Transport Videos. I'm currently here at Cardiff Railway Station, which is located between Cockle Creek and Katara on the Central Coast and Newcastle line. I'm currently waiting for diesel locomotives 42107 and 4836. Double announcements there, one from each platform at the same time. They are hauling the picnic trains, the Newcastle picnic train I believe it is, from Central to Newcastle interchange and return. And I will film them here at Cardiff. Maybe, hopefully, some shunting operations in Newcastle and Broadmeadow, somewhere around there. And then it returning back to Central at a location somewhere on the line. And the train is led by 42107 at the front and 4836 banking at the back. I don't know what the consist will be on return, if they're going to be double heading, push-pull with the 48 leading, or turn the whole thing and push-pull with 42107 leading, but we'll see how it goes. And yeah, that should be the next thing through here, and so I might only just get that, but if I do, then this video will just be a 42107 chase. But if I film one or two other things, then I'll just put anything and everything in this video, including the heritage train. So sit back, relax and enjoy the video. Oh, how good did that sound? They were thrashing it. Lovely. I'm now here at Awaba Railway Station. Awaba is located between Fassy Fern and Dora Creek on the Central Coast and Newcastle line. Alrighty, everybody, I'm going to wrap this video up now. Be sure to like and subscribe, share this video around, check out some of my other vlogs. I hope you all really enjoyed, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.